You never hear any bad noise when you're using the mathematics of the Nautilus shell.
The simple magic of spiral movement is inspiring the energy-efficient design of anything from fans to propellers to water and wind systems that we use in our everyday lives. The secrets of reptiles and creatures that move through sand or water with less friction than polished steel are yet another source of design insight. Their keratin skins are covered with microscopic spikes which reduce friction as they slither or swim.